Coco, what? Can I have the entire water bottle? Sure, you can have the entire water bottle. Thank you.
Slow down, Snowy. Don't drink too fast or you'll get the hiccups.
Don't you worry, Coco. I never get the hiccups.
Never?
Nope, never, ever, ever.
What did you say, Snowy?
Oh, I didn't say anything. Bye.
I just heard a hiccup, Snowy.
No. That was not a hiccup.
But you do have the hiccups.
It kind of sounded like a hiccup, but I'm telling you, I never get the hiccups.
But Snowy, you do have the hiccups.
Okay, I give up. I have the hiccups. Oh, I never had the hiccups before. What do I do? What do I do?
Let's find a way to stop them together.
Good idea, Coco.
Snowy, where are you going?
On a journey to stop my hiccups.
What's up, Snowy?
I have the hiccups. I never had the hiccups before. What do I do? What do I do to stop them?
Let's see. Whenever I get the hiccups, I stop them by breathing into a bag.
A bag? But I don't have a bag.
1 second.
I hope Iggy knows what he's doing.
Alright, Snowy, blow into this bag. Did it work, Snowy? Are your hiccups gone? I'm sorry, Snowy.
Whoa, what was that?
Sorry, Ellie. I have those crazy hiccups, and they're messing up everything.
I know what will get rid of your hiccups. We just need to scare those hiccups out of you. 1 second. Oh! Did it work? Are your hiccups gone?
Oh, let me see.
I'm sorry, Snowy.
Son, was that a hiccup I heard? Yes, Dad, I have the hiccups. But you never ever get the hiccups. But now I do, and I can't get rid of them no matter what I do. Well, I happen to be some hiccup expert, you know. You are? Yes, son. The best cure for hiccups is very simple. All you have to do to stop them is drink a bottle of water slowly. That's all you have to do? Yes, son, that's all you have to do. Okay, Dad.
So what did your dad say?
My dad said in order to get rid of the hiccups, I have to drink a bottle of water slowly.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Lucky for me, I happen to have an extra bottle of water.
Hooray for Coco!
And remember, drink slowly. That's right, Snowy. Slowly. Drink the bottle of water slowly. Did it work, Snowy? Are your hiccups gone?
I do believe. worked! My hiccups are gone!
I'm glad to hear that, Snowy.
Yay! And I will never, ever get 'em again.